last night when DEE Stan says he has a press release that is coming out, I didn't even think that it's basically that we are finding out now. Like, I was just thinking that maybe there's some shit that is going to happen, but then it was not what we thought it was. It is because RKV and Empire Street Music Agency as part ways, motherfuckers. So I feel like there's many shit going on in this shit right now because of the shit dropped yesterday, and yesterday was Saturday. I feel like it's because of many shit that many people are saying it's because of this tennis with Alicia. I'm saying nah, it's not because of that. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's because of even the bookings of December, all the money that has been generated, even the streams money, the royalties. I feel like, I don't know, because of, I was checking his music, his music, who is distributing it, and it says Prime Music Group. So maybe it could be there, or maybe on this place. I don't know what type of contract did he sign. Did he sign a 360 contract? I don't know. Or it was just didn't give away his masters. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like there's more to tell. Even him and DEE Stan have not even say anything about it. DEE Stan is busy posting with his wife. You know what it is? So we will see what's going on, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, maybe by tomorrow, because tomorrow it will be Monday, maybe there will be mentions that, I don't know, because of many people are not even talking about this. I don't know why, but let's get into it. So here is the press release of it. So it says Street Empire press release for immediate release. Okay, let's get into RKV Music and Street Empire Artist Management Agency have mutually agreed to part ways. Interesting. That means they have agreed to be on a separate level. Like, I don't know what is even causing the separation, you know what I'm saying, for them not to be working together, because of they've achieved a lot. We cannot describe that DEE Stan has pushed Rootkid, like, if because of their thing since 2019 they've been pushing together. So I feel like they've pushed a lot. So it is RKV Music represented by Ndiwanga Sadiki, affiliation known as Rootkid Venda, and Street Empire Artist Management Agency represented by DEE Stan Mama Tunta chifana chaonora elethanga robe have mutually agreed to part ways. Okay, there's nothing. I'm not going to. It's clear, like the two individuals went into a business partnership in 2018. This is what I was talking when I was saying they started doing business in 2018. That means, yeah, it's been a minute since they are together. I don't know what, you know what I'm saying, but maybe it's good business for him. I don't know. Maybe for Rootkid, I don't know. Maybe it could be good for him. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? So it says, I've since worked very hard to build the brand of Rootkid Venda. Eventually, many people, that brand is big. You know what I'm saying? Not so. Oh, one thing that is much more than the meaning. Rootkid, I've been doing endorsement here. I wanna Munati chicken, and is a kagene. I don't know how was it working. Maybe it was working the advertiser, because of now I don't think what the advertiser. But I feel like maybe I should advertise because of Baba pay up front. I don't know what this, because of this moves as it is near to riches we make of home to like the effect is there before we pushing a package down. Unazo the abacus one is endorsement. This was set is kuita uri uve na vhathu vha tshi khou ḓiwana vha tshi khou the relationship. So Root Venda becoming a household name in the streets of your name in the South African and beyond. That's true. You even have worked with Dex, so the brand is big. Together they have received many what is that? Accolades in the entertainment space. For sure. They eventually when they say talent plus hard work, it is what it is. That's the only thing that they need. So I feel like it did work out. Following intense business review meetings, you see, the only zvavo zvekutangana nawo napa kameeting ino kandila 50k yamurito ine ikuitisa zvoito zvori vatu vasive kana ingosvika bhangani yawe nacho kuri aingosvika ndiri kana aingosvika zvive zvopfara ti ngori vatu nyakukonfudza vatu nari mutu uri andasikwambira ndikotobudzisa uri kani aingosvika bhangani yechidoshi ndizvo zvinenge kutobudzisa zvona, in which the two representatives briefly each other on their respective new and upcoming business venture for the year 2024. Okay, it's cool. You're fine. I feel like even I was not quite or 2024 because of Root Kido release the EP. Confess, I feel like it's because of it didn't get like much like marketing. That's why I feel like it's leaving the brand because of this tension about kuita chene ndotwa kudeposta na msazi wao professor, even though yari shkurendo ruwa market mara chawo sikutaka kudeposta na la matatu don't even entertain ba push content. Okay, where are we? They two have mutually agreed to go their separate ways with a view to avoid each other's space to fully focus in their various business and brands. As far as I don't sure what they do, I work a month, but I feel like as they did, now the brand there, you know, like you know, how change you brought even though I couldn't wait the track or no, ya anti track, and I mean, not sure the confessor. So I just snap on which the walk no cheat as well. Root Venda and Stan have been and will remain good friends and will continue working together when necessary. That's the way to repeat, Professor. This is industry shit. Like, but obviously, if you come to the right type business around time, we're going to separate ways. Like, bakuzamanya kuritanda uri rikadirokarwa no atikorori unavaone zvinotsora kuti kidi kunya kuva nadistan cool ngori tezo rikidi ndiasikonohamba zvori zvaudzidzikukuti mini afara vetu professor okay chet ari tushoma ruri namusirisa tepeza tushoma rutolesa ukanye lukungolote. Okay, ciao Tom. Rukwamba nyoto saukanya Root Kid as an artist, ciao Tom. Over 2019 usika this year. Usika mulo brand ya Root Kid yo noulana. Toka Tom aramba ka Root Kid, brand ya Root Kid yo noulana. Yo like this is like even as an artist over color ngato ruzite. You ite zo zvinezvi kutoda okay, cool. Music ukukona kurelease ngachifhinga na yes cool ukuzviita zvose zvoto zvikuita urelevant na yes urelevant una content yauya unique na unayo musically ukwaluwa when I'm talking about bars, beats, production, like everything chinakushita like ukwaluwa version like udeyamaza mini chikona like imaging brand ya uku ikwaluwa na yes zvose zvoto zvikuita. So now we come to the business side. Root Kid ukubukwa na yes. Ukubukwa and free no. Root Kid ukubukwa ngachelede. Okay, cool. DEE Stan, the mini kai, the booking money, the booking agency, the manager, because of there's a difference between being a booking agency and being like the other artist manager, like you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. There's a difference, because being an artist manager means you know okay, artist you go push like marketing or distributor music or the endorsement design to come one to like so the let's say the kunya kwana maybe let's say the president is coming, you know what I'm saying? Let's say back at that Hello Stadium. The only the managers I was watching around cool more no to open doors where you can't open them, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like yeah, Zuko Faris was good. This is one and that's not as one that could perform a kazoki. And they are poor work on my which did in India side. I'm not in there. I will be because tavern this and this gig is that is never compared to my own good. Then when I didn't even could that like your endorsement, like Munati chicken. Yeah, yes, to the regime is me and I work with Vitanga said Naples promote. Okay, cool. And I work with one drama day. Unazi royalties nezabaza music wawundi abo submit, let's say in the YouTube and the iTunes in the me because of course rootkit is in the more by imba than eche do we one. That's the fact. Even though in a wing of a kufindi talk, but uko wala kazimuza z artists never venda zikui one ya jared confessor. So okay, cool, because it so chikundi chipechi nechingava chikuita chine chikumupa rezinero yato rich got the values of the charity when those go as donation there and those donations was go to through artist manager, you know what I'm saying, and I want need this time. So I feel like that's where the problem is coming from. Fair to though ako owner mushumo wawe confessor when I say ako owner mushumo ndokombore the masters zawo or the publishing zawo copyright music wawe akho iona ndicho chimwe chine chinga chikukosana dini nafo ndikudzama utana taruses yezu chine bokoropeza confessor chimwe chitu ndiye uri child as bookings yeah ukoi if you are being for real rookie day ngaveka wakonoita more than 10,000 as charity angava chita kwa maybe 20k because of zoita bana gig za 5 confessor jamba tichedi neta with at least my Friday Saturday Sunday then I didn't want I go for 5,000 this still like jela tukala ya uba ka vacation alishiyenge rukitcho sara chikushuma confessor so nazo ndizimwe effect zineza wanga wazikuitisa chimwe ndishwe chiri chine chingaita thought now rukitya kuveranda ngori ndosikuona naimwe poster island ndiyasende izvitu zvinoreka zvivandu zvinotoeditiwa ngamoto advita ati cool video nangamba zvizila confessor nemuto kudzieditira vale ngori tazitaira vatu mara rirumela pana. Okay. Future bookings, inquiry and business dealings in the city of Roko should be directed to RKV Music and its management team, details of which will be communicated to the team panel. Okay, thanks. As of let's it's even like it's Kotonyamis and the Shambangazo because of at the which to finish quit or whatever it was telling about it. Maybe ukufilo or music or push you on dream about longer or our the same dream that they used to share. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? On road kid. vhala vho renga track kha Phalaphala FM uri kha ulo ṅwaha u ḓo vha si khou pfana nadzo ngori naye o vha na track hafho. You know what I'm saying? So ndi zwiṅwe zwa zwine ri khou zwi sedza nazwo. Ḽi ḓo vha uri heḽi fhungo ndi ḽihulwane a ḽi dzheneli, but ndi manzhi mafhungo ane a kha ḓi bvela khagala. Ri ḓo zwi wanulusa uri ndi tshini tshine tshi khou ita uri vha sala vha khou ḓiwana vha si tsha shuma vhoṱhe, because so ndivhuwo a khou ri ene o zama u vha lugisa mara dzo bva. That means ndi kale a khou a ḓivha mafhungo. That means ndi zwithu zwine zwi nga zwi itea ubva vho state 10 ke, or maybe zwi khou itiswa ngori ndo pfha u tshi khou pfhi Road Kid o vha a khou nyanga u replya beef heiḽani ya Metro. If ṋama ya pfhena, then they say to him, no, he can't release that song, reply that song because of he has released an EP, but which is fair, but to him, because of that shit is content, you have to reply when it's still hot. Then unless sala zwi si khou mufara ngori u vha a khou nyanga u ntsha music tshifhinga tshoṱhe, uri kilingo ndi a still ntsha music tshifhinga tshoṱhe, mara vha tshi khou muvhudza zwa uri a nga si ntshe music tshetsho tshifhinga u khou tou thoma a ndele wave ya EP yawe ya fhela, a sa ḓivhi zwa uri EP yone u wane i sina na wave, mara u khou tou uri u lindele i fhele, u pfhesesa. Ende heyo EP i tshi khou maketiwa, hu tshi khou maketiwa mini show ye DEE Stan a vha nayo heiḽani ya 31 ye ya fhedzisela yo khantseliwa nga 26, u pfhesesa. Ndi zwiṅwe zwa zwithu zwine ndi khou vhona u nga ri ndi